Heyo! Welcome in or welcome back, you amazing person. We are here to enjoy episode 6 together of Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skills. Make sure you grab your snacks before we go ahead and hop on in. Is this a dungeon? Yeah, he's getting traumatized again. Fenrir's trying to go over here and make him do XP farming. Recently formed? Oh yeah, they're strong in there. Like I said, XP farming. He is truly in a gaming atmosphere. Me and Power World will be like, dungeon time. But let's be real, he's cooked, right? Of course Fenrir is not going in there. Fenrir is into tough love. Oh, that's kind of ominous. The Great Beast not being able to do that for you? Those are treacherous times then. Oh, what a feast! Oh my gosh! Otherworldly carryout. Okay, pizza. Episode 6, growth happens out of nowhere. He's got to make sure he's fueled up. Okay. So yours was probably doing the same, but you weren't doing anything about it because you didn't know you could even use magic at that time. And the rest will be for you, of course, Fenrir. What if something negative? Nah, I don't think. Of course. And don't just leave empty tins for Sui either. I'd say one of each thing, I guess. Yeah. I know Fenrir is just like, man. Oh, yeah? Oh, appraisal magic. Oh, the dumplings and the entire 10. No, don't do that. Oh, it's permanent. The drool is insane. Holy, you've got an appetite. Save some for Fenrir for once. Excuse me, you're not going anywhere. The ultimate mukbang just happened. That's it. After everything I just saw you inhale. Fenrir is 1,014 years. Holy. We? You have a sword. I'm sorry, did I forget when he got a sword? Fenrir's, of course. Yeah. Well, at least they're all going. Full tummies. You guys are going to be slow with it. A giant slug? Mommy Sui? That's fair. Okay, it was not hard for Sui to go ahead and attack its own kind. W praise. I knew you were made of acidity. Alright, Sui, step back. Popped it like a balloon. Isn't it just gonna go back to itself? It's like regenning. Oh, it's absorbing it. That's pretty insane. Yeah, your bones will be quite clean of any flesh. Are you solely striking their horns? Oh, Makuta. I knew he'd go back to fire magic. Because this is like their home. For the XP, of course. Kobolds? You should have said werewolves. Stick that sword in its dome. Dang. Knock their snout off. I think they're gonna get back up. How much blunt force damage did he do? Holy. How much damage? Oh, for a whole boss. I hope you're... That's not just 10. Fenrir. You don't want to eat any of these. I think it's dangerous already. Ah, you got this, Sui. Maybe an evolution will be at the end of this for Sui. Oh, for sure. His sword. Let's be honest, was he really using that sword though? The alphas are watching. It's time to crisp them up. Oh, straight through the... Oh my, that's gruesome. You need to start shooting out boulders. Also, holy. You going for the head and the heart? You're kinda gruesome yourself. They're getting assassinated. Okay, their heart is not on that side, is it? 2 more? They're going to the big dog. Excuse me? Oh, Fenrir. Like I said, the big dog. No, that's a battle axe. But then he killed two of his own? Okay, that's the spirit. Never mind. Don't say that so casually, Fenrir. Nicking the skin. Shoot out boulders. Holy. Huh? What level is this kobold? This is insane. Holy. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh. Cold. I thought he was gonna fall on it. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's a nasty scar right there. Shoot out one more of those and it pierces. Oh no. He used all his mana. Oh, Fenrir. Oh, Fenrir. Oh. Yeah, you've weakened it quite a bit. It's got a concussion for sure. Okay. It is bending to the will of... that... Oh. Sui, you're a demon. And pass out. Not into the acid though. Sui is a demon. Sui is on demon timing. Sweet baby Sui. I'm glad you're on our side. That's like Honey no Zuka senpai from Orin High School Host Club. Cute guy, but he can tear up an entire army. You didn't think about how you can hear Sui? That's what I'm saying! Sui is so cute. Sui's grown infinitely cuter. That was your evolution? Oh. I know, right? I'm melting. That's what I'm saying. I need my own little Sui. Probably like one. Where was the subtitles? That's it. We noticed. Yay! Your levels, your stats are lower. I mean, no, that's not it. I think it's just creatures of this world are able to level up a bit faster because they're just born into the magical realm. Adorable. Maybe because familiar? Especially so early on in Sui's lifetime? Did you go get some food? I think it's blood. Couldn't even clean yourself up. Yeah, because it's cooked. And it doesn't include so much blood. Aren't you too sore? Yeah, I was about to say. Good protein. Oh, what are you making with sugar and onions? I was thinking you'd get quite a bit of takeout like you had before you went into the dungeon, but yeah. That's quite a bit of sugar. Sugar on meat. Huh. I mean, hey, he knows how to cook and I don't, so who am I to say a word? Okay. The rice will definitely equal everything out. All right. Rockbird Okiodon. Remember that for the rating, okay? Aw. Okay. Fair enough. I feel like that's how my son is. Are you guys still outside of the dungeon? Uncle! Oh, I made Fenrir blush. The straight up strays being caught. Nah, Dad. Yeah. Oh, it's okay, Uncle fell. Uncle fell. Oh, don't scare. Oh, you made Suri cry. That is the cutest little cry ever. Suri must be protected. Eh. How can your heart not just melt? I know. Okay. Aw. Look at how cute they made Fenrir. Yay! Master is knocked out. Uncle. Yeah, I knew it. Okay. So not like Big Brother? You held. Oh. Where did you learn this term of uncle? All right. I love that we get to hear this conversation. Mm, Sundere. Oh, he had to warn. It was such a good episode. I loved episode 6. We went into the dungeon. Who's we? They went into the dungeon, got the XP, made sure that once again, with training a new magical ability, then Makuta got absolutely scarred mentally. I guess it just goes along with the training process when it comes to Fenrir. And baby Sui leveled up and kind of evolved, is now able to talk in the cutest little voice. Oh, I wonder if my son will start to speak a bit more. He's able to say mama. That was his first words. I love that. He's able to say dada. And I swear, because he knows his own name. He responds to his own name. And he has for a while. So I have kind of heard what sounds like his name. Like he tries to repeat it. Like, Gewa, Gewa. Where did this come from? Um, uh, I'm thinking about it. When I first heard my daughter speaking and like she was able to like start putting together sentences, I was like, she has the most adorable little voice. And I'm just like, I want to hear my son's like speaking voice, like full on like putting sentences together, speaking voice. Like, oh, is he gonna be like Sui? Sui is like my baby boy as a slime, okay? Like, oh, so cute. All I can do is just fawn over baby Sui. I mean, I'm proud of Makuta, of course. He got through it. He was doing straight headshots. He was the head hunter. Whew. What? Kingslayer. There we go. And Sui, I don't want to find out if other slimes are able to shoot acid, but thank goodness Sui is with us because acid. Like, need I say more? And Fenrir is a good teacher. Uh, when he is focused, he's definitely into tough love. Maybe a little too much. He didn't lift a paw, but he is the hungriest. The gluttony monster. The Lord of Gluttony. That is Fenrir. We learn it more and more every episode. I'm excited to see what adventures they get up to next. There's no feeding the gluttonous goddess. So, I guess a week hasn't passed. But there was a lot of magic training, so. Oh well, I'm glad that everybody's levels are going up. I'm glad that the food is still a banging. We got to see the mukbang of the trio. The first mukbang. I don't know. No, I wouldn't consider them just eating together a mukbang, but that was like just a hoard of food just to level up. It was the XP mukbang. So, anyway, I am going to be rating this episode in. It was cute, but I want to see some more action, don't I? Should I give it to it? Big points have to come for Sui, you know? And I got the action that I wanted. I'm going to give it a 9.9 out of 10. Rockbird, Okiodon, whatever the heck. You know, I said, hey, remember this for the rating. And that, boom. It was a celebration. Yeah. I guess I could just do something simpler. 9.9 out of 10. Whatever those werewolf things was called. I've forgotten already. Anyway, let me know your rating. I'm just taking a point off because there's something I feel like I'm missing. I can't explain it, but you know when you just feel something, that's how it is for me. Like it's so close to a 10, but I just don't know. Like maybe it was just a little too cutesy. It took away from the action that I experienced. I don't know. I just feel it, guys. I just feel it. Let me know your rating. Let me know what you think it could be missing. What is it missing for you? I don't know. I'm so confused. I don't feel that it's a 10. Oh well. Along with your rating, just let me know what other adventures you want to see the trio go on. How cute do you think Sui is? Is Sui not cute at all? Is Sui your favorite? Sui is definitely my favorite now. Maybe Sui was my favorite as soon as I saw them. Who knows? But they're definitely my favorite now. Favorite character of the show. And yeah, enough rambling from me. Although I know that's what you're here for. Ramble City. Queen Ramble. Sometimes I just think, what am I doing? I just do these random things. And I know I'm not going to cut them out because I already have to edit out so much. Anyway, I just hope that you like and share and subscribe if I'm a mood for you. I'd love to have you in my community. It gets a little crazy, a little rambunctious, but if you can handle that, I'd love to have you. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, see you all later, and see you in whatever you choose to watch for me next. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.